Let's find the property line of our castle. Our castle is in the Netherlands, so we have to find the property lines of our castle in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands it's kind of easy because there is a database of all property lines in the Netherlands. And I will show you how to get those. Let's find our browser and we go to PDOK.nl. And then we go to watch all our data sets. So here there are all the data sets and we have to find the correct one where there are the property lines of the Netherlands. Let's see if we can find them. There are a lot, as you can see. So we found it. It's basic registration cadastre. So we click on it. And then we can go to downloads. We can go to download page of the cadastral map. We click. And now we are in a map. And we have to zoom in to, it doesn't go well with the band-aid.
Please use your other hand.
It doesn't go well with the band-aid. So we zoom in Dussen in the castle. Oh, here's the castle, fantastic.
Oh.
And then we have to make some area around the castle and we can click on make download. And then we can click download. And we click download. We click open file. We click just once. And here we are and we want to extract. And we click extract. Now they are in the folder extract, in the folder download. So what we will do is to open Apglos Survey Wizard, the best surveying app in the world. And we go to the file menu, click on import. And here we want to import a GML file. We go to the folder where we want to find this file. It was in download and then it was in extract. And we say use this folder. We click allow. And here there are the files. We click OK. And now we can select the file dkk-kadastralegrens.gml. And we click OK. This is all set up fine, so we click OK. And now it's here, so we zoom in to the location where are the property lines. And now we can go and stake out the property lines. So Ray, what will we use to stake out these property lines? So we have the Android phone with the borderlines of this castle.
Yes.
But we need something else. So we have
me,
Ray, and Ray has a GPS rod.
Yeah. Let me touch both sides. Sorry for that, Hanno. Yeah. Then of course we need a
GNSS receiver, and this is the Emlid Reach RS2. Please proceed.
Please proceed. Please hold the GNSS receiver and let the rod do its work. Otherwise you will drop it. Tip of the day. Press on, just hold the button for a few seconds and it is on. Here it is.
The mount.
The mount.
Phone.
The mount. Attach it to the pole.
So we have this GNSS receiver, the Emlid Reach RS2, that you can buy also in our store, the apgloshop.com. Anyway, we want to make a connection between this receiver and our phone so we can stake out accurate. To do so, we go to the connect screen. We select this receiver, which is called Reach, and we can fill in the encrypt data, but since we are in Holland we use server. And then we click on the connect button. There is a connection and we get a position. So we are putting the follow button and we can see we are very close to the property line and we want to go to the property line. So we go to the screen menu and click on stake out. Then we click on the line and it says that we need to go like 60 meters that way. Let's go! We have an RTK fix.
So what does it say? You need
we need to go 2 meters that way, but here there is water.
Yeah, maybe a little bit on the side.
There is no water.
Yeah.
So let's see where there's no water. We need to go like a half meter this way. And we get closer and closer to the property line. And we are here. So Ray, to you the honor to put like...
Oh man!
So we found the property line in front of our castle. And we're waiting now for Ray to mark this spot. See him running. I don't think he will finish the marathon.
Souplesse.
I don't think so.
Really?
Yes, really. So Ray, you can mark the spot. There it is. That is point 1 of the property line of our castle. Let's try if we can find another point. And we want to find the end point of this line. So what we can do is we click on this button and now you can see the points, the corner points of this property line. So let's see if we can find the end point or start point. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, no.
Of this property line. Let's go! So we are here in the starting point or end point and we have to go 1 meter this way, a little bit farther. We're getting closer. When you're almost there, you have to keep the rod straight. And we are there.
Yeah?
This is the end point of the property line of our nice castle. We have here a marked point of the property line. And there as well. This is how you find a property line in the Netherlands. It's very easy and very quick.
Yep.
If you want to know more how you can use Apglos Survey Wizard and GPS, then please check out this video.